Hi guys, happy 2025. Today, come make stretch mark oil with me. I will be using this 2-ounce glass container to make the stretch mark oil, and the first oil that we will be using to make the oil is patchouli oil. For each of the essential oils that I'm putting in here, I will be using 20 to 30 drops. So here goes in 20 to 30 drops of patchouli oil. I had to take off the cap of the patchouli oil bottle because some oils tend to be thicker than others, and patchouli oil is one of those thick ones. And also guys, remember to use a glass container for your mixing because it's best to use glass when making all these kind of oil mixes. It was getting a bit messy, so I put some paper towel on my kitchen surface to prevent it from getting messy. And then up next is lavender oil, again 20 to 30 drops. And then we're going to be using Helichrysum essential oil, again 20 to 30 drops. It's really easy to make this. You're simply mixing a bunch of essential oils together and then using a carrier oil as well. And then grapefruit oil, grapefruit essential oil, 20 to 30 drops. All these essential oils are really have powerful properties that help combat stretch marks, so that's why they make a really good mix for stretch mark oil. I've been using this for quite some time and I do like the results, and it's all natural, which makes it even better. And then frankincense, powerful anti-inflammatory oil right there, 20 to 30 drops. Up next is myrrh. It is one of those oils that tend to get really sticky, so I'm going to have to take the cap off for this one. 20 to 30 drops of myrrh, put that in the mix. And up next is the final oil before our carrier oil, and it is baobab oil. Baobab oil is a fave of mine. It has such intense anti-aging and healing properties, and it's really, which makes it really good for this stretch mark oil mix. I'm going to be using, I guess, more like 40 drops of this. I measured it with the cap of the container over here, so about 40 drops, but 20 to 30 drops would work just as good. But I really like this oil, so that's why I'm using a bit more of it. So at this point, with all the oils in there, you should be a quarter the way full of this 2-ounce container. And then we're going to use our carrier oil to fill up the rest. And I am using olive oil here as my carrier oil, extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just going to use that to fill the rest of the bottle. You can see right there, it's about a quarter way full. So we're just going to fill the rest up with olive oil and then we are done. You have your homemade all-natural stretch mark oil ready for you to use at home. Effective, simple, and natural. Do remember to mix everything up together once you are done. and then you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Till the next one, guys. Bye.